Me and my sister are doing another crazy video before we clean her room. We're just gonna like on her bed. We're just gonna like tackle each other and stuff. So you're already cleaning your room? Come on, Abby. Come on, Abby, get up here. I'm gonna move the camera up a little bit. Bye. Okay. Bye. You can't see the bed, but oh well. Bye. I don't want to hurt you. I'm so scared I'm gonna hurt you. You want me to let you win? Because you're a little baby and you don't know how. You don't know how to kick. You don't know how to fight. I win. You don't know how to do anything. I win. I can win every time. When are we going to Disney, Abby? Today? Are we going to Disney today or tomorrow? Today. Yeah. Ho! Who don't want to go? Oh, fun out! I'll wear your grandma's clothes. Oh! Try to beat me up, little baby. Beat me up, little baby. I could stand on one foot and win. One. I'm awesome. Now I'm gonna knock you over with this foot. Are you okay? Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stand on you. It's okay. No.